Which we're looking at the warning.
Atmosphere button.
I'm sorry, Terry, you cut off there. Could you say that again?
Moscow Station, space to ground 1. Moscow Station, space to ground 1. Go ahead. Moscow unintelligible. We had the trip of unintelligible atmosphere.
Повтори, пожалуйста.
Anton, you'll have to repeat.
Значит, выдалось, что у нас МОУ-2, токсичность атмосферы. Аварийная.
We had the atmosphere tox message, and then the emergency went into inaudible.
Принято сообщение токсичная атмосфера.
Copy.
Значит, АТСС горит. Атмосфера.
Atmosphere is blinking on the PSS caution warning panel. Yes, this. And the computer is sending a message that we're seeing a message on the computer that there's tox event and node 2. Speaking at the same time. All right, I'm getting off the bicycle, basically, is what I'm saying. Copy. All right, guys, this is the mid-ops hold. Telemetry stop. So thank you so much. Let's wrap this up and shut down the hardware. And if possible, we'll have Elena do the same when she gets a chance.
Station Houston on 1 for the entire crew. We still show you pressing in 4.3. We are still checking to see if this is false. Repeat on space to ground 2. We'd like you to continue in 4.3. We are not sure yet if this is a false indication.
Station on 1, how do you read?
Экипаж МКС по Москве в канале СГ-1.
Station Moscow, space to ground 1. How do you read us? station notable.
Экипаж МКС по Москве.
Station Moscow, space to ground 1.
Ява, отели Москву.
Moscow, we have just done the O2 breathing masks.
Это надели маски.
Copy regarding the breathing masks.
Ребята, у нас сейчас Земля проверяет, ложно это или
Guys,
нет.
Houston is checking to see if it was a false or not.
4-3.
Please
Книги Emergency.
be in position to put procedure 4.3 of the emergency book 1C into work. And please stand down, do not do anything.
False alarm, false alarm, false alarm, stand down. Station Houston on Space Ground 2 for the whole crew, false alarm, false alarm, false alarm, stand down.
Copy that, Vegas, thanks. You know.
Ребят, как приняли, что это было ложное срабатывание?
Guys, did you copy that this was a false?
Да, Тань, все принято.
Yeah, Tanya, we copied all.
Мы уже маску скрыли.
Хорошо, принято.
We already taken off the masks. Okay, copy.
Vegas, we're on one. How'd you copy?
Экипаж МКС по Москве в канале СГ-1.
Station Moscow, space to ground 1.
На связи.
Go ahead.
Ребят, ну я так понимаю, вы маски уже сняли,
Guys,
да?
I understand from the last call that you've already doffed the masks. That's affirm.
Хорошо, принято.
Okay, copy.
Ребят, ну, нам тогда придется на восстановлением всех систем заниматься. Сейчас будут рекомендации.
Guys, I guess we're going to have you perform some system recovery steps, and the recommendations will be made available shortly, so stand by, please.
Houston, space ground 1, how do you read?
Loud and clear. Go ahead, Butch.
Just understand false alarm. We're going to make sure we step through this with your current ready to open the one.
Butch, if you said opening the node 1 hatch, you are go.
That's affirmative. Here we go.
Экипаж МКС СУПа Москвы в канале СГ-1.
Station Moscow, space to ground 1.
На связи.
Go ahead.
Ой, Лен. Лен, я хотела бы узнать, что
Wow,
вы
Elena.
делать?
Well, we just wanted to get your status on what you've been able to do up to now. Whether you've been able to take the samples, anything beyond the donning and then doffing of the masks. Were you able to get anything else done for the procedure? Tatiana, this is Alexander. We did take some measurements in FGB. There was no high levels. Right. Okay, so you did take some measurements in FGB and there were no in the GA adapter. Okay, copy that. 3 masks and 2 cartridges were unwrapped, and while we were getting ready, we came to the time when we needed to basically restart. And as far as the serials, station inaudible. Alexander, you're breaking up. Did not copy your last. Let me try.
So, I've got the serial numbers of the masks and cartridges.
All right, we copied and handed over all the information on the serials for the acids that we unwrapped. Copy. You did not demate the air ducts, and you did not close the hatch. We closed one hatch. They got adapter to inaudible. Repeat, Alexander. Which hatch did you close? Station unintelligible. GA PMA hatch was closed. That's a firm.
Opened up for 2078 and 2095.
And are they back? Yeah, they're back in their segment now.
If they're going to expire or not for the cartridges. And we also opened up 3 masks there. 1031, 1030,
Ребята, еще по замерам вы могли бы сказать сами, какие...
1031 and 1033, Terry. What was it?
Guys, and actually, would you be able to give us what the levels you got? Well, if you switch to space to ground 2, you're getting those values right now as we speak. Okay, I was not monitoring that loop, so stand by, please.
And the cartridges and masks in me and my beam were not opened up.
Самата, скажи замеры.
Нет, мобиль замерить, потому что там чип measuring system не работает.
Say that last sentence again.
Сейчас дальше на Хьюстон тоже.
The cartridges in the MRM1 were not opened.
Cartridges in MRM1 were not open. Thanks.
Ребята, я не совсем поняла, что не сработало.
Значит, не получилось.
Guys, could you repeat your last? We were not able to take the measurements.
Ammonia chip measuring system that we have, serial number 1006.
The device,
did not turn on.
station unintelligible.
Принято. Принято.
Okay, we copy. All right, Samantha is about to call the data down to Houston. Okay, copy. Thank you, Sasha. And also regarding the hatch and the air duct, did you basically recover those steps and reopen the hatch and get the air ducts back to their nominal position? Yeah, everything is back to normal. Okay, copy.
And we'll be looking for a full report here in a little bit once we get a few things cleaned up. And we'll let you know what time that's gonna come.
Okay.
Hey Terry, while we've got you, we were just wondering, it was garbled down here. What was it? What was the call that you made about the atmosphere button?
Yeah, when I heard you say there was a caution, I don't remember exactly, but I think I said actually it's the atmosphere light, or the atmosphere light is lit up. I was trying to let you know that it was more than just a caution.
Copy. Yeah, that was good information. We just couldn't process. We didn't know if maybe someone hit the button because we were trying to figure out exactly what was going on there. Thank you very much.
Yeah, nobody here hit the button. And I should have been more clear and used the A word, but that's what I just blurted out as we were running down to the Russian segment.
Yeah, we were avoiding it too because we didn't have a confirmation of it yet, and there were indications that it was not that, and so that's why I got started a little bit stilted there.
Copy that. We put our PBAs on and went down the Russian segment, and I also made some calls from the Russian segment, but I don't think you heard them with the mask on, I think it was not coming through.
That is correct. It was not. Butch and crew had to change in our indications again, so we're going to call ammonia leak, execute emergency response. I say again, ammonia leak, execute emergency response. Station Houston, Space to Ground 1, we've had changes in our indications, so we're recalling ammonia leak, execute emergency response. I say again, ammonia leak, execute emergency response.
Экипаж МКС по Москву в канале СГ-1.
Station Moscow, Space to Ground 1.
Ребята, действуем по пункту 4.3.
Guys, you'll need to resume performing procedure 4.3.
Возможно, утечка на
The cabin pressure is increasing. There's a possibility of ammonia leak.
Emergency 1C.
Please grab emergency book 1 and perform step 4.3.
Station Houston on Space to Ground 1 for the entire crew. You're a go to keep pressing in 4.3 in step 2, getting measurements.
Houston, station on 2 from Nimadin, from MRM1.
Go ahead, Butch. Station Houston on 1 for Butch from MRM1. Go ahead.
Houston, station on Space to Ground 2, what do you copy?
Station Houston on Space to Ground 2, copy loud and clear. Go ahead.
Houston, station on Space to Ground 2. How do you read us?
Sam, we read you loud and clear. How about us?
Read you loud and clear. I give you a service.
Copy that. And if you guys did not hear the previous call from us, you are a go to continue in 4.3, taking measurements in step 2.
Okay, copy that, Vegas. We're in the MRM1 crew is in the procedure. We're all on our ammonia mat, and we're going to start taking measurements right now. The other Soyuz, crew went down to their Soyuz.
Copy that, and you can keep pressing with the procedure as well.
So, I think I told you before, what this CMS measure does not work. So we have Drager to start with those.
Copy that. There should be another CMS.
Well, Атмосферика один, вы поняли, что Союз Внемодин, экипаж Внемодин?
Экипаж МИМ-1, МИМ-1.
Moscow Station for Soyuz MRM1 crew. Go ahead, Soyuz MRM1 crew.
Ребята, у вас получилось сделать замеры?
Guys, were you able to take the measurements in step 2? Measurements are in work, Tatiana.
Экипаж МКС, по Москве, в Канаде.
Station Moscow Space to Ground 1. How do you read Moscow on Space to Ground 1? Station.
Хорошо слышим.
Have you loud and clear? How was?
Хорошо вас слышу.
Have you loud and clear too?
Able to find the one CMS measuring device. Мы сейчас проводим измерения с помощью трубок Дрейдера.
We are performing the measurements using the Drager tubes as we speak. Repeat your last. Did not copy.
Проводим измерения с помощью трубок Дрейдера.
We are performing the measurements using the Drager tubes. Copy. Drager tube measurements in work. Thank you.
CMS не работает, потому что там батарейки сели.
CMS is not operational because of the dead batteries. Copy. Copy and copy.
Houston out 2, how do you copy?
Which we copy you loud and clear. We're about 1 minute out from an LOS. You are cleared to keep pressing with 4.3 during the LOS. Go ahead.
Okay, this is Terry, and I just went and talked to that crew. They do not have a chip measuring system either. Their battery is dead also. So we're both working on Draeger right now.
Copy that you're both working on Draeger tubes.
Please tell Moscow to shift everybody over to Space Ground 2. It's the only channel we have in the MRM.
Copy that. We will continue on Space to Ground 2. We are going to go LOS in 30 seconds here. We will pick you back up at approximately 09:34.
Экипаж МКС по Москве в канале СГ-1.
Station Moscow, Space to Ground 1.
Выдайте, пожалуйста.
If you can read me, can you please press the ATM button manually?
Understand on the high tube. Could you repeat the message?
Station inaudible.
Yeah, there's no, we don't do anything on the high end.
Copy. No measurement.
How do you copy? Station in Space to Ground 1. Did you copy Moscow?
We're putting in a medium now.
Copy.